What up, YouTube? RJ the Barber. Just came back from Brooklyn, live in New York, rap. Figured got a couple hours on, I'm gonna go pick up new clippers. So, got myself the Wahl detailers. A lot of barbers, see a lot of barbers on YouTube with them. So I figured let me pick them up. See what's good with them. Say they're pretty quiet. So let's see. See what it comes with. These are them. Came with a little blade guard with the TY blade on it. Guessing they feel pretty sharp. Let me see. Let's turn them on, see how quiet they are. How quiet they really are. Don't need that. Pretty quiet. Pretty sharp. Well, yeah, man. That's the Wahl detailers. Came with that. The usual oil and brush. Came with 3 guards, whatever they're called. Came with size 1, a half, and a 1.5. Yeah, that's really all I picked up. You know what I mean? Looking forward to add more to my arsenal. You know what I mean? But yeah, yo, please rate, subscribe, comment, whatever, on any of my videos, not just this video, any of my videos. And see what else. So I really came with. I think it was supposed to come with something else, but I don't know. But yeah, that was the unboxing of my Wahl detailers. I'm also gonna get, just for little shits and giggles, so one with the black. Right now this is the maroon one. I don't know if you really could tell by the lighting. But yeah, I'm gonna get the black ones and the chrome ones. Just to have extra ones. You never know when you could see what's up. You know what I mean? I'm probably gonna put different blades on them or something like that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that was the unboxing of my Wahl detailers. You know what I mean? But yeah, man. Like I said, rate, comment, subscribe, whatever. Check out my other videos. RJ the Barber signing out.